Boys and girls, this is your Language Arts e-learning lesson for Thursday, April 30th. We're going to start with page 167. This is the second part of the checkup for Unit 4. You have 3 sections to complete here. Section number 4, comparing with good and bad. Write the correct form of good or bad for each sentence. So for good, your choices would be good, better, best. And for bad, it would be bad, worse, worst. Okay? Just all you need to do is write the correct form of the adjective. In section 5, proper adjectives, write the proper adjective that comes from the proper noun in parentheses. You may use your dictionary or other additional resources. Because there is no set pattern in how to form these proper adjectives from the proper nouns, you just simply need to know what the correct adjective is. So let's take a look. Number 58 says, can you do any, and in parentheses you have Israel, and dances? Well, it would be, can you do any Israeli dances? Okay, Israeli, so that's what you would write. So again, you just need to know what these proper adjectives are. As I mentioned, there is no set pattern of how to form those proper adjectives, and that's why it's suggested that you use an additional resource to help you if you're not sure. Then down at the bottom you have mixed review, numbers 69 to 76. And it says that this ad has 2 errors in articles or demonstratives, 2 errors in proper adjectives, and 4 errors in comparing with adjectives, and write the ad correctly. It won't be necessary for you to write the entire ad. What you need to do is to write your incorrect adjective followed by the correct adjective. You have 8 errors altogether. 2 errors are made in using articles or demonstratives. That means a and the, this, that, these, or those. You have 2 errors in proper adjectives, and then 4 errors when you compare with adjectives. Okay, so again, you have 8 errors altogether. You need to write what the incorrect adjective is, followed by what the correct answer should be. And of course, if you're having trouble figuring that out, you know to go back into the lessons for help. Okay, again, looking for 2 errors in articles or demonstratives, 2 in proper adjectives, and then 4 with comparing with adjectives. Okay, so that is you're working on numbers 46 to 76, so that's numbers 46 through 76, and you only need to write the correct answer. Okay, now, in addition to your grammar work, today you have Lesson 14 in Wordly Wise, looking at new words. We'll go through and I'll read the words with you. So, first word for Lesson 14, page 161. Afford, boast, and with afford you also have affords. That's the form of it. Boast, you have boasted and boasts. Cord. Okay, this is cord. That CH is pronounced like a K, cord. Then you have exceptional, fortunate, fringe, and then turn the page. We have humble. Okay, you have humble and humbled. You have meadow. This is melancholy, melancholy. Then we have obstinate, that's obstinate. Plead and pleaded. Plunge and plunged. And then the last 2, or actually last 3, relent, and you have relented, submit, and trudge. Hi, those are the 15 new words. Please make sure that you go back and read over those definitions carefully so that you are familiar with these words and what they mean. Then today you will work on 14a using words in context. And for each statement that's given, you write C if it is correct, I if the statement is incorrect. And you've been doing this each week, so you are familiar with how that's done. And then 14b, circle the letter next to each correct answer. And remember that there can be more than one. You can have anywhere from 1 to 4 correct answers here. So here you just need to circle the correct answers. Okay? But again, please make sure that you do read over those definitions. Okay? And then you also have Spelling City today, which is alphabetizing. And then you have Fever, chapter 24, and make sure you answer those questions. Okay? And again, if you have any questions on anything or if you need help, please make sure you reach out to me so that I can help you with anything you need help with. Okay? Have a good day.